Hello everyone, welcome back once again. This is your Anjali ma'am. So today I am here and today I am going to start chapter number 29 in English grammar. And the name of the chapter is, tell me? And the name of the chapter is Understanding Words Better. Here are some words, pair of words. They sound the same but the spelling and the meaning are different. How? We often get confused between words like here and here, right and right. So here, right, right. Both have same meanings? No. This is so because these pair of words sound the same. Here, right and right. So this hair means hair like this, black hair, you have brown hair, I have black or brown hair. And here it means rabbit, right it means correct, and right it means write on the paper with the help of pen. But these words have different spellings and different meanings. Now here are a little exercise, filling the blanks with the correct words. So here are two options, made, made. The bangle is dash of made. The bangle is dash of made. Bangle it means जो चूड़ियाँ हैं या चूड़ी है वो गोल्ड से बनी हुई है, it means made. And the meaning of this maid is maid servant or housemaid. Number 2 is I cannot dash you properly. I cannot dash you properly. So here or here? Here. The meaning of here is receive sound. And the meaning of here is the place where you are. Here, I am here. Next is, so I cannot hear you properly. Next is, there is a dash in the bucket. There is a dash in the bucket. So hall or hall? The right option is hall. The meaning of this hall, H-O-L-E, is an empty space in something solid. And this hall, it means complete. The meaning of this hall is complete. Dash car is standing outside the gate. Dash car is standing outside the gate. So their car is standing outside the gate. Doesn't sound good, na? Their car is standing outside the gate. So their word is belonging to them, and there it means that place. Nidhi was standing dash. Nidhi was standing dash. Nidhi खड़ी है या खड़ी थी, कहाँ खड़ी थी? वहाँ. So Nidhi was standing there and not there. The ship is sailing on the dash. The ship is sailing on the dash. Sea or sea? Sea. It means ocean. And the meaning of this sea is look, watch. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. So this one will come or this one? This one will come in a week. W-E-E-K, week. Because the meaning of this week is a period of 7 days. And this week meaning is little energy, having little energy. Next is I love fairy tales or tales. So this tale means a coin has two sides, head or tail, and this tales means stories. So I love fairy stories or tales. I have to dash a letter to my grandfather. I have to dash a letter to my grandfather. Right or right? मुझे अपने ग्रैंडफादर को एक लेटर लिखना है. राइट और राइट? राइट. WRITE. राइट. Write it means to make words or letters on the paper using pen. And this right, it means correct. Dash have horns. Deer or deer? Tell me. Deer. Because this is an animal. And the meaning of this deer is used when speaking to somebody you know very well. Nana has long. नैना के लंबे क्या है? Hair. नैना के लंबे hairs थे. Not this one here. That is dash school. That is our school or our school. OUR. Our school. Belonging to us. That is our school. And this hour, it means a period of 60 minutes. That's it. Okay? So I hope you got it. Now you have to complete that work. आपको इस work को complete करना है अपनी book में. So now we will meet you very soon with another chapter. No, with review 3. We have to complete that work. Okay? But we will do in my next class. तो तब तक आपको wait करना है. So take care. Goodbye everyone and God bless you all.